G'day, I'm Adam from Kindred Property Group. You know, I reckon I have the best job. Every year I get to see hundreds of homes, from quaint cottages to waterfront mansions. The one behind me here would have to be one of the best homes I've ever viewed on the Redcliffe Peninsula. Yeah, it's got a fantastic looking facade, but it's what's on the inside that counts. Follow me, let's go check it out. There are just so many aspects of this home that I love. However, out here just might be my favourite part. The inside seamlessly connects through the doors to the outside, all overlooking the magnificent pool, so you can keep an eye on the kids. You know, I've been to this home numerous times and there's not one single thing I would change. It's very rare you get an ultra modern home, but with a feeling of such soul, a real place to call home. We may have just found the perfect home.